right, hi boys and girls. This is the review for today's assignment, converting improper fractions to mixed numbers and mixed numbers to improper fractions. So I was surprised that a lot of students did not do very well with this assignment. Only a few students got them all correct, but I saw a lot of students did not get the assignment. I saw a few zeros. So we're gonna have to review again tomorrow. So the assignment for tomorrow is going to be very similar to the one today. Okay. All right, so first, number one is 5 3/5. Okay, I'm gonna show you what a lot of students did. This is not the same as this. This is one whole number. This is 5 3/5. This is 5 times 3/5. This is this. Okay. But that's not the same as this. This is one mixed number. Okay, so some of you just multiply 5 times 3 equals 15 and then wrote it over the 5. But that's when we're multiplying fractions. We're not doing that here. We're converting this number to an improper fraction. Okay, so to do that, let me erase this. First, we multiply the denominator times the whole number. 5 times 5, multiply. 5 times 5 is 25, and then we add the 3. So you have 25 plus 3 equals 28, and then you leave the denominator the same, 28/5. Number 2, 6 3/7. So first step, you multiply. 7 times 6 is 42. And then you add 3. 42 plus 5 equals 45/7. Number 3, 8 3/4. So you multiply 8 times 4 is 32 plus 3 is 35/4. Okay, I'm gonna put number 4 over here. Number 4 is 9 2/5. So you multiply 9 times 5 is 45 plus 2 is 47/5. And number 5, 4 2/3. 4 2/3. So you multiply 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14/3. Okay. Okay, so for the rest of the problems, you had to convert from an improper fraction to a mixed number. So now we're gonna use our long division skills. So number 6 is 9/4, right? 9/4. So now we're gonna divide 9 by 4. And just think about your 4 times tables. What number's closest to 9 on the 4 times tables? We have 4 and then we have 8, right? And to get 8, I multiply by 2. So 4 goes into 9 2 times. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then we subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1, and we put our remainder over the divisor. Okay? So 9/4 is the same as 2/4. Okay? And if you draw, look, there's 3 pies, right? But 2 of them are going to be all shaded in, right? You have one here and one here, and 1/4. So that's 2 and 1/4, And if you counted the fourths, you would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fourths. Okay. All right, number 7. 19 thirds. 19 thirds. So we divide 19 by 3. Okay. So think about your 3 times tables. What number is closest to 19? Hopefully you thought 18, right? And how do we get 18? We multiply by 6. So we have 6 times 3 is 18, and then we subtract. We have 1, and we put the 1 over the 3. 6 and 1/3. Okay. Number 8. 39 fifths. Sorry, raspy voice here. 39 fifths. All right, so on the 5 times tables, 35 is the closest number, right? And we multiply by 7 to get 35. And then we subtract. We have 4 left over, and I'm gonna put the remainder over my divisor. 7 and 4 fifths. Number 9, 59 sixths. I can barely say that. Okay, so now 6 times tables. On the 6 times tables, do you know what number is closest to 59? It's almost 60, right? Which would be 10 times 6 is 60. So 9. 9 times 6 is 54. And then subtract. And we have 5 left over. So our answer is 9 and 5 sixths. So 59 sixths is the same as 9 and 5 sixths. And last one, guys, number 10. 48 sevenths. All right, so 7 goes into 48 6 times, right? 6 times 7 is 42. Subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6. And I put my remainder 6 over the 7. 6 and 6 sevenths. All right, boys and girls, that's it. And we'll continue to practice this tomorrow. Have a good night.